What's happening? Not yet. Am I going? I'm letting Lucci be my camera woman because it's International Women's Day. So I have an international woman holding my camera. What do you think of that? Guys, I'm out here. I don't know where we're at now. We're in the river still, my cousin said. We're out here cruising. I thought I'd do this live before the motor gets revving. It's too loud. I hope you can hear me. I can't see any of your names because the camera's over there. I just want to say hi, everybody. This is what you call the laptop lifestyle. I can't wait for every one of you to experience this kind of stuff. You can imagine doing it all the time. It's absolutely, Florida's really beautiful. There goes the motor. I hope you can still hear me, but I love